Our next question, simplify root 25 upon root of 64 plus 256 upon 625 whole raised to minus 1 by 4 plus 1 upon 64 upon 125 whole raised to 2 by 3. We have a by b whole raised to minus m equal to b by a whole raised to m. That we are applying in the middle term. So we get 5 square raised to 1 by 2 upon 4 cube raised to 1 by 3 plus this will become 625 upon 256 raised to 1 by 4. Similarly 1 upon 6, that is 1 upon a raised to m equal to a raised to minus m. So the third term can be written as 64 upon 125 raised to minus 2 by 3. Again we can apply here the rule of a by b raised to minus m equal to b by a raised to m. So again here we can, in the first term we can apply a raised to m whole raised to n equal a raised to mn. That is 5 raised to 2 into 1 by 2 upon 4 raised to 3 into 1 by 3 plus 625 can be written as here a by b whole raised to m equal to a raised to m upon b raised to m. Similarly, we can convert 625 also. 625 is 5 raised to 4 whole raised to 1 by 4 upon 256 can be written as 4 raised to 4 whole raised to 1 by 4 plus this can be written as 125 upon 64 whole raised to 2 by 3. Here it is cancelled. So 5 upon 4 plus 5 raised to 4 into 1 by 4 upon 4 raised to 4 into 1 by 4 plus 125 can be written as 5 cube raised to 2 by 3 upon raised to 4 cube into 2 by 3. Next we can start this equal to 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 plus 5 raised to 3 into 2 by 3 upon 4 raised to 3 into 2 by 3. 3 cancelled here. So we get 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 plus 5 square upon 4 square. If we add these two terms, we get 10 upon 4 plus 25 upon 16. LCM is 16. So we get 40 plus 25 whole divided by 16 equal to 65 upon 16.